Now we are going to see what is a class. A class is a part of a sentence that contains a subject and some kind of predicate. After the rain stopped, we went out on our bikes. So it contains two classes. The rain stopped and we went out on our bikes. So here with the keyword after it is started, so it does not complete its meaning. It is dependent on another class, and it completes the meaning only we say we went out on our bikes or some other work to do. So there are various types of classes: independent class or main class, or it is also called as principal class. Another one class is dependent class, or it is also called as subordinating class. So now we can see what is an independent class. So independent class is a class that can stand by itself as a simple sentence. An independent class contains a subject and a predicate and makes sense by itself. For example, Gabriel is playing with toys in his room. So we can connect the independent class by some keywords at the beginning of the independent class. So these words can always begin a sentence that can stand alone when the second independent class in a sentence has an independent marker word. A semicolon is needed before the independent marker word. For example, Jim studied in the sweet shop for his chemistry quiz. However, it is hard to concentrate because of the noise. So here it is connected by a semicolon. So some common independent class markers are also, consequently, furthermore, however, moreover, nevertheless, and therefore. So two main classes are connected in a same sentence by using coordinating conjunctions, that is called as coordinating class. So two main classes can stand by itself in a same class. The coordinating conjunctions are and, but, for, or, nor, so, yet, etc. To remember, we can call them as fanboys. For see the sentence, she wants to travel the world and see wonderful sights. So here two independent classes are there. Next we can see dependent class. So dependent class is a class that cannot stand alone by as a complete sentence because it does not express a complete thought. It also has subject and verb even though it does not stand by its own. The crew could see the whale which had surfaced only 50 meters behind them. So which had surfaced only behind them, it is a dependent class. It does not give complete meaning. Do you know the butcher who went to court on Saturday? So do you know the butcher? So it is an independent class. Who went to court on Saturday? It's an dependent class. It does not fulfill the meaning of the sentence. I am not tidying the dishes unless Peter helps. So unless Peter helps is an dependent class. So basic differences between the dependent classes and class and independent classes. Dependent class does not make sense and it does not stand by itself, but an independent class makes sense by itself. Some common dependent class markers are after, although, as if, because, before, even if, even though, if, in order to, since, though, unless, until, whatever, when, whenever, whether, and while. So this like this the sentence starts. When she fell out of the apple tree. So here the independent class starts with the word when. As she approached the top of the ridge, like this the dependent class starts and it can't stand by its own. It doesn't complete the meaning. So be some mistakes done while speaking or writing, or I like this class, it is very interesting. We should not use like that. The correct sense is I like this class, it is very interesting. I like this class, semicolon, it is very interesting. I like this class and it is very interesting, or I like this class because it is very interesting. So here is a small exercise to identify whether it is dependent class or independent class. Because I can't wait, I will go walking. So because I can't wait, it is an dependent class. It does not complete its meaning. So because he ran, he was able to catch the bus. So is this dependent class or independent class? Dependent class. Until the sun sets, we will stay with you. So I will stay with you. Until the sun sets, I will stay with you. So I will stay with you is an independent class. It gives complete meaning. So like this you should identify which is dependent class or independent class. Thank you.